a mermaid. Believe me, I saw a mermaid. The most beautiful mermaid I've ever seen. I didn't expect to see Sharon as a mermaid. She could come all the way down, so that was really impressive.
I hope they will love it and have a wonderful trip in Kenting.
Hi, good morning. Morning. Welcome, welcome.
Since we're here in Kenting, I would like you to experience an underwater world to do scuba diving, to have a fun dive.
So
Yes.
cool.
But before that, we have to take a lesson.
Okay.
So Tony is a scuba diver instructor.
Okay.
So if you have any question about scuba diving, you can ask me.
Okay.
Okay, great.
And I have to prepare our next activities. So here we go. Tony,
Thank
it off.
Okay,
Out.
welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Because they are beginners, so they can only stay in the shallow water. But in here, Kenting, even shallow water, we can see a very white sandy beach and some coral reef, or we can see crown fish maybe. So I hope they can see all of this time.
So do you have any experience with the scuba diving?
Me neither. At all.
Okay,
I'm so
so we're gonna
excited.
do knowledge development first. Okay, then we will practice skills at the shallow water. Let's go through our knowledge. Now the air could be compressed under the water. So you can imagine that's blue here. So you put the blue into the water, the size of the volume can become smaller and smaller. Okay, once we go 10 meters, the size will become half.
Okay.
Okay, if you hold your breath once you ascend to the surface, you will a lot more over expansion.
I am so excited. I've been waiting for this forever because I want to do it since I'm a child, but I have zero experience. I've never done it before, but Tony was great. He explained us everything super clear. So I got the theory right, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit afraid of the practice, but I think it's gonna be okay. Just relax, just like he told me, just breathe like you're drinking bubble, permit tea. I'm feeling really reassured actually because we have the two instructors with us the whole time, so we get to just relax and enjoy the scene. And I know that we're going to be practicing in shallow water as well, so we get to really make sure we're comfortable before we go in deep. And I'm also very excited because I've never done scuba diving before in the ocean. It's going to be a very great new experience, I think.
Before I said I was a little bit afraid, I was really afraid, but I was trying to. It's amazing. Everyone should try. I mean, Tony was a great instructor, so I knew I was in the best hands. I mean, like a movie, like a dream. It's like another world down there. It's, oh my God, I never expected it was gonna be so beautiful. Like the coral reefs moving and so many fish and oh, I have no words. I saw Nemo. I saw a lot of Nemos, and the coral, I didn't know there were so many different species. Like they were like little bubbles and they were like dancing. How can it be so clean and so blue and so clear here at Kenting water? Oh my God, it has nothing to envy to another islands that it's paradise. The water is so clear and so beautiful. I think that if you're in Taiwan, you should take advantage of the fact that you can have such beautiful water and have such a great experience in such a close area. I saw a mermaid. believe me, I saw a mermaid, the most beautiful mermaid I've ever seen. I was, it's the most beautiful mermaid. I was so surprised. She wanted to do as a surprise. She totally nailed it because I was unbelievable. It was so beautiful. Oh, it's amazing.
In Canting, underwater world is very famous, and we can always see a lot of different fish and coral reef here. So that's why I bring them to here to experience scuba diving. And the reason why I'm wearing mermaid tail is because I want to give them a surprise. And when I was a kid, I loved to watch Ariel. And actually, it's not easy to be a mermaid. Like underwater, you have to hold your breath, and you have to your facial expression and your hair control. So I hope you will love it and have a wonderful trip in Canting.
I didn't expect to see Sharon as a mermaid. That really surprised me because I was just like looking around at the fish, and then suddenly she was above us, and we were like almost 8 meters deep, or 8 to 10 meters deep, and she could come all the way down. So that was really impressive. Yeah, I didn't know how she could hold her breath for so long. Well, it's been like everything we do together, it's just getting better and better. It's like she tried so hard to surprise us, and it was so cool. I don't know, it's like we're bonding so much, really. Just a few days, and I feel like it's the best company I could have. I'm so happy to make this trip with them.